5.
Do you know these letter sounds? Do you? Can you help me sing? Know these letter sounds? They will help you learn to read. They will help you learn to read. Fair, fair.
You know, tonight I'm going to.
Yeah. Or maybe not. You go ahead and put those over there where they belong. And where's Madden?
Madden.
I mean, Madden. You want to help put those where they
She's on
belong?
lunch
You
break.
can still eat. You can still eat. It's okay. You want to help? Seal, seal. Can you help sing, Maggie? Seal, seal. She got it. You want to help, Sofia? You want to help sing? Come over here.
Vais a cantar, Sofía. Te vas a cantar con Ana. Las letras.
Say, can you give me the elephant, Ocean? Can you give me the elephant over there and over there? Maddie, thank you. That one. Say, elephant, elephant, eh, eh, eh. And the bear.
Sofía di
Eh, and the bear. Ba, ba, ba. You say ba? Ba, ba, bear. And the L for lion. And which ones are those, Maddie? Do you know this one? Right? Hold on, let's put that one away. Away, and we'll find another one and see if you know what that is, Maddie. Do you know what this one is?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What's this sound, Maddie? Do you know?
I'm doing
Can you say it?
piranha fish.
Is it that?
I'm doing piranha
Good
fish
job,
and
Sophia.
X-ray.
Yeah for
I want to
yoga.
X-ray fish.
And you and you and you and you and you. Yoga. Yeah. Yep. Yoga. Yep.
I want an X-ray.
You want to do X-ray fish?
I already did it.
Oh well. Next time you do it. I pick a different. Oh, careful, Maddie. We don't want to spill them all out. They're heavy. They're really heavy, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Coin. Thank you.